Hello everyone, this is Kavya Kaushal, J19 Agri 16. I have made a PPT on production technology of coffee under instructions of Dr. Prashant Bakshi. Introduction. Coffee belongs to genus Caffeia. These are annual shrubs native to tropical and southern Africa and tropical Asia. India ranks 8th in position, covering almost 2.6% of world area, that is 3% of world coffee production. Scientific classification can be seen on the screen. Two main species of genus Caffeia are Caffeia arabica, Arabia coffee, and Caffeia cynophora, Robusta coffee. Quick calorie. Soil requirement. Coffee is not very specific with respect to its soil requirement, but some ideal features like soil depth and soil pH are required for profitable cultivation. Soil depth should be more than 75 cm, while pH should be slightly acidic, 4.5 to neutral, 6 to 6.5 is preferred. Climatic requirement. As you can see on the screen, the table given, there are different parameters depending on different species. We have here blossom showers and backing showers. Blossom showers are the first showers that are necessary for flower buds to blossom in coffee plant, while backing showers are the showers received after 18 days gap for fruit development and retention. As you can see, different temperature, relative humidity, annual rainfall and showers have different time period and different measure for different species. Varieties. Coffee Arabia have Chandragiri, Satimore, S288, Kaveri, S795, where Cynophora have C. robusta, C. naganda, S274, SIN274, SIN3. Sowing. Pre-sowing treatment with Azospirillum and Phosphobacterium can be done. Seeds are sown in December to January in the bed 1.5 to 2.5 cm apart with flat side downwards in regular rows. Seedlings germinate in about 45 days and then transplanted to secondary nursery beds, that is bag nursery. Planting. Planting spreads from June to December. Coffee can be propagated by two methods, seed propagation and vegetative propagation. In coffee planting, shade plays an important role as it helps in following: quality improvement, improved foliar health, temperature regulation, yield regulation, wind breaks. Spacing. Spacing depends on the variety of the types, Arabica and Robusta. Best time for opening up of pits is from March to April. Size of pit depending on soil should be 45 cm into 45 into 45 cm and 1.25 to 2.5 meter apart. Water management. It is generally grown as rain-fed crop, but irrigation with sprinkler during March-April increases blossoming and results in high yield. Manure and fertilizer. Application of FIM or compost at the rate of 5 tons per hectare once in 2 years improves soil condition. Soil testing once in 2 to 3 years should be mandatory for lime and fertilizer application. To recommend dose of fertilizer should be applied in 3 splits by drip circle method. Application can be seen on the screen. Training and pruning. Training is done on the purpose of high restriction, framework, bearing wood. Types of training are single stem training and multiple stem training. In single stem training, it is practiced in 2 ways: topping of growing main stem and thickening of main stem and primary branches. Depending on fertility of soil and spreading of plant, when attained 4.5 to 5 feet height, the second tier is raised. Pruning in coffee, done to encourage new growth as old unproductive wood is removed, encouraging growth of new branches. Light pruning starts after harvest of coffee and continues till onset of monsoon. Height of stumping is 30 cm from ground level. Harvesting. Arabia coffee is harvested from November to January and Robusta from December to February. Coffee should be harvested when completely ripe, when on gently squeezing bean comes out easily. It can be harvested by 3 methods, namely strip picking, machine picking and hand picking. Most commonly used method is strip picking. Process is done by 2 methods, viz wet method and dry method. then the commercial processing using machines that converts the dried coffee cherries into powder form for marketing purposes that includes roasting and grinding. Yield. Production of Arabia coffee in India is 815 kg per hectare, while of Robusta is 1065 kg per hectare. Average production can be seen on the screen. Main coffee growing states in India are Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Orissa. Diseases and pests and their management. Diseases in coffee are leaf rust, black rot, pink disease, etc., while non-parasitic disorders are conley, bean disorder in coffee, etc. Pests in coffee are white stem borer, mealybugs, termites, etc. Management can be done by chemical control using Bordeaux mixture at the rate 0.5% concentration or alternative fungicides such as plant wax at the rate of 3.03% active ingredient. Spraying of main stem and thick primaries with neem kernel extract may be effective. Spraying schedule can be seen on the screen. Nutrition facts. Black coffee contains a number of micronutrients, notably potassium, magnesium, and niacin. Sodium level is very low. Coffee also contains a good amount of vitamin B content. Coffee helps in boosting of energy level. It is rich in powerful antioxidants, and several observational studies show that coffee drinkers have much lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Here are some short answer type questions that can help in further studies. Thank you.